Hi, this is Laura Noel from Stretch into Results, and today I'd like to talk to you about a little book that I was reading called U Squared, and it's really about multiplying your effectiveness, not to move one or two steps ahead, but making quantum leaps. And there was one little story in here that the book started out with about a fly that the author, Price Pritchard, was observing. So I'm going to read this little story to you, and there's a moral. There's a small fly burning out the last of its short life energies in a futile attempt to fly through the glass of a window pane. The whining wings tell the poignant story of the fly's strategy. Try harder, but it's not working. The frenzied effort offers no hope for survival, and ironically, the struggle is part of the trap. It is impossible for the fly to try hard enough to succeed at breaking through the glass. Nevertheless, this little insect has staked its life on reaching its goal through raw effort and determination. This fly is doomed. It will die there on the windowsill. Across the room, 10 steps away, the door is wide open. 10 seconds of flying time, and this small creature could reach the outside world it seeks. With only a fraction of the effort now being wasted, it could be free of this self-imposed trap. The breakthrough possibility is there. It would be so easy. Why doesn't the fly try another approach? Something dramatically different. How did it get so locked in on the idea that this particular route and determined effort offer the most promise for success? What logic is there in continuing until death to seek a breakthrough with some more of the same? No doubt, this approach makes sense to the fly. Regrettably, it's an idea that will kill. Trying harder isn't necessarily the solution to achieving more. It may not offer any real promise for getting what you want out of life. And sometimes, in fact, it's a big part of the problem. If you stake your hopes for a breakthrough on trying harder than ever, you may kill your chances for success. That was something that really resonated for me. So I want you to take a look at where in your life you keep trying, doing the same thing over and over and over again, which to me is the definition of insanity if you're not getting results. Take a look at where in your life you're doing that and try a different approach. What I like to suggest is call a mentor or work with a coach who can kind of see things from a different point of view as you. Or go to somebody whom you respect, who's already made it in regard to your goal, and they're making things happen. Don't go to someone who isn't making it happen. Go to somebody who already has what you want. Try a different approach. There's no need to try, and keep trying harder and harder and harder to no avail when success is not imminent. So that is the story and the moral of U Squared, the story of the fly. I highly recommend reading this book. It's very short. It's only like 35 pages. It's a phenomenal book about making quantum leaps in achieving your goal. So until next week, have a wonderful week and get your goals.